My name is Nicola Dandridge and I'm Chief Executive of Universities UK, and we're here at the launch of Universities Week in 2014 to celebrate the impact of university research on everyone's lives, on public's lives, whether or not they've been to university, and the importance of for researchers for engaging with and speaking to the public about why what it is they're doing matters to everyone throughout the country.
My name is David Willetts, Minister for Universities and Science, and it's great to be here at this party to launch Universities Week. It really puts the case for universities more publicly and more energetically during this week than any other opportunity during the year. This year's theme is research, and of course universities are absolutely fundamental to R&D across the UK. And Universities UK do an excellent job, and I think this is also an opportunity to celebrate their work as well.
My name is Michael Dixon and I'm Director of the Natural History Museum. We're very proud to be a partner here this week for Universities Week and forming the focal point for national activities with displays here at the Natural History Museum. It's incredibly important to us as a research institution to be linked to the higher education sector. We have over 120 postgraduate students based here at any one time, registered for higher degrees in the university sector here in the UK. And we have about 8,000 scientists a year visit the museum to use our collections in their research. So we're very much part of the research establishment of the UK.